Hello and welcome to the workshop. I'm Rick and I'm here to help you build your own toys and learn something along the way. I made this hammer out of marshmallows and I thought we'd give it a try. Oh, that material is much too soft. Today we're building toys that are all about materials and their properties. Why are some materials great for certain toys and terrible for others? Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Oh, that's really good. For over 25 years, I've been teaching kids to build their own amazing toys. Toys that spark the imagination and bring learning to life. Before we get started, let me explain how the workshop runs. It's split into 3 parts, and each part has its own numbered package, 1, 2, or 3. Don't open any of the packages yet. I'll give you a really clear signal, my trusty toy train whistle, when it's time to pause the video and follow the steps on screen. Press the edge of the mini screwdriver into the screw slot and twist it to the right. It's kind of like turning a key in a lock. With every twist, the screw goes deeper and deeper until the ruler is tightly locked to the wood block. I took my marshmallow hammer apart and turned it into a marshmallow dog. Do you like it? Sometimes we can take an object that's made of many small pieces and rearrange it to create something brand new, like a marshmallow dog. The point is to come up with as many ideas as possible, build them, test them, and keep improving them. We call this the engineering design process or the design cycle. I think I'll turn my boat into an icebreaker for breaking through the ice in the chilly Arctic Ocean. But first it's time for you to open package number 2 and build the boat of your dreams.